chasing ghosts. I know you're out there.
Hey Creep Fam, it's your girl Monica. How are you doing? Today I am bringing you look number 12 out of our 13 Days of Halloween series, so we're almost done. And today I am showcasing Captain Spaulding. This is a very easy look to do. It's very iconic but recognizable. So if you'd like to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. But before you do that, don't forget to subscribe if you have not already. And be sure to comment, like, and share this video if you enjoy it. But without further ado, let's get on with the look. Alright, so to start, I'm just going to be removing the brows that I already have on right now. So just remove those because we're going to be blocking them out. So once these are gone, I'm just taking my Elmer's glue stick and placing a good chunk of that, mostly focusing on the tail end of my brows. Then I'm going to take a spoolie to brush the hairs up and flat against my head, and then do a few more layers of the glue until it's nice and secure. Once that has dried down completely, I'm then going in with my color correcting palette and grabbing the dark peach shade in the palette to conceal the brows, doing a layer of that, blending it in with my finger, and then doing a second layer of the color corrector and then blending that in as well. We're then grabbing our white cream paint, and I'm just putting this all over my face. And then once that's all on there, I'm setting it with some translucent setting powder. Then to get my hair up and out of the way, I'm just throwing it into a wig cap and then grabbing a black water activated face paint. You can also use an eyeliner if you prefer. I'm starting to draw on my brows, so I'm just creating these very thin, very arched brows up above my natural ones. Then taking a black eyeshadow, I'm placing this all over my lid, really focusing on only keeping it on the lid and not really letting it extend past the crease. Blending out those edges and then taking this bright blue eyeshadow, and then I'm just patting this from my crease up into my brow bone, creating this kind of elongated oval shape, connecting the inner corner of my eye up all the way into the brow bone area. Once that is all done, I am then dragging some of that black eyeshadow right along my lower lash line and then also blowing out underneath that with more of the blue. We're then taking this bright red eyeshadow and I'm using this as my little blush. So I'm just taking this on a tiny little blush brush and placing this on the apples of my cheeks into nice little circles. I'm then drawing on these little lines going down from the outer corners of my eye. Then moving on to the lips, I am painting in my lips with a black lip paint, smudging out the edges with my finger to create more of a blurred effect, and then also doing these little downwards lines on the corners of my mouth. Lastly, I'm going to throw on some mascara on my top and bottom lashes. Then taking that black water activated paint, I'm putting this on a brush and just spritzing this all over my face for some more texture and grit. And then off camera, I'm going to pop on my false eyelashes as well as the rest of my little outfit. And then there you have it, you guys. You are now Captain Spaulding. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Like I said, it's a super easy one to do. But I hope you guys are having an incredibly spooky day. And I'll catch you in the next video. Mwah!